Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today we're going to be looking at on how to create a website for free, or you can pay depending on your need. And obviously if you want something more premium, you'll have to pay. As we know, in this world everything comes with a price. So first and foremost, you want to make a Wix account. We've already uploaded a tutorial on that. And if you don't know how to, but if you already have a Wix account, or you know how to, just create a Wix account, and then you want to select one of these websites that you want, like one of these templates. Now, I chose my shop or my online store to be electronic related, so we're gonna go with something like this, or something like this. This looks like something futuristic and electronic. Or headphones, they always, or watches. These three are my top picks right now. But those are just my top picks. There's 28 pages in total, so you can see whichever suits you the best. And these are just what they've chosen for me. There's more templates, there's a lot for you to choose from. So I'm just gonna view this and see what this looks like. Alright. Let's just scroll down. Wow, it looks amazing. I like it. So what I'm gonna do now is press on edit. Once I press on edit, it's gonna load a bit. We let it load. You would think I have good internet speed, huh? This is loading for too long. Alright, finally we're in. Now from here, as you can see, you can add menu pages, site design, add apps. So if you press on add apps, it's gonna give you a bunch of apps that's on the Wix app market. From here, as you can see, form builder, Google search ads. These are premium site required. So remember, whichever you're using, make sure you see if it's free to use, or 3-day free trial, or if it's paid. I'm not gonna do much about it. And that's it. I'm actually not gonna edit anything in this, since I don't know what type of website I want to add. But if you choose media, you can select your photo, you can create your video, you can upload your photos and edit this however you want. You also have a few free Wix videos that you can use. So I'm not gonna use all that. And the best thing about Wix is they give you a phone view. So what phone view does is basically show you, if you were on a phone, how it would look. And now that is a phone ratio, the phone screen ratio, and you can scroll down and see this is how it would look on a phone. And you know what? We're ready to publish this. So you want to press on publish, and that's your website. I can visit, and boom, it is right here. I didn't edit anything, so it's not really going to show anything different, but as you can see, we've pretty much made our website. Now here's the thing, you want to take this website out of here and you want to put it in your own domain. Well, as you can see, you gotta upgrade, and when you upgrade, you get your own domain. You have basically full control of your website. You can edit it however you want, and you also get access to premium features. As I mentioned before, some stuff, the good stuff especially, requires some sort of a payment. And if you want a free website, you can get that, and if you want your own domain, you'll unfortunately have to upgrade. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.